All right, welcome back to the historical Dagelman farm. Coming to you early in spring here. It's starting to dry up, so we're going to be taking our tractor to the self-cleaning car wash to get it looking nice for wedding season and some of the projects. As you can see, she got a little mud on her from the last few days of doing projects, getting the road all nice. And if everyone remembers also, Dad got some hydraulic fluid all over the top of it, so we needed some hot water to clean all that up. So we're going to be taking that in and get that all cleaned up. So we're going to give you guys a short little video of how we like to clean our tractor. So we'll talk to you later. Thanks. What are you doing, Sam?
This is the wheel and tire cleaner. So any grease or any residue really on the wheels, it shines it up and kind of takes it all off of there. It smells really bad too.
Get his beer too.
Well, we just got back to the farm after the car wash. It's all washed up. It's not perfect, but it's better than what it was. Got all the grease off the hood, tires, seat and everything.
Is that all figured out?
But we got it all washed up. We sprayed down the trailer, underneath the trailer, to get all that salt off from winter, because we used it a few times in the winter. Got all the salt off the tractor and truck and everything else, and we're ready for spring. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.
And now for something completely different.
Well, spring's officially here. Hey! Doing a video. What? Well, spring's officially here, so we're getting our tractor nice and cleaned up. That's one of the first things we do to start the year off. So we're going to be taking it down to self-wash car wash. God damn it, Sam.
Self-wash
car wash. What would you say? What is it called? It's a
self-cleaning car wash.
Self-cleaning car wash. There we go. That makes sense.
Self-wash car.
Yeah, self-wash car wash. How's Dad do this all the time? We're gonna go take it down to the self-wash car. Damn it! Son of a self-cleaning car wash. There we go. Two different words.